Audience may kindly rise. Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable President of India, Shri Ram Nath Kovind ji. Ladies and gentlemen, the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Audience may kindly take their seats. President of India, Sri Ram Nath Kovind ji, Honorable Governor of Odisha, Professor Ghanshyam Lal ji, Honorable Union Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan ji, Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Odisha, Sri Nabokishore Das ji, Honorable Member of Parliament Sundargarh and Chairpersons of Parliamentary Committee on Defence Sri Jwala Ram ji, accompanying dignitaries, Member of the Boards of Governors, Member of the Senate, Deans, Associate Deans, Head of Department, Centers and PSUs, faculty colleagues and staff of this institute, distinguished guests, recipient of degree and awards, nominees of electronic and print media, alumni, students, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to you all. It is my great honor and privilege to welcome our Honorable President of India and each one of you present here on behalf of the Institute and on my own behalf to this auspicious occasions of 18th convocation. Ladies and gentlemen, I proudly mention before you that in these convocations we are conferring the much valued degree of NIT Rourkela on 544 BTech degree, 17 B.Arch, 117 dual degree BTech plus MTech, 75 integrated MSc 5 years, 424 MTech degree, 125 MSc degree, 21 MA degree, 25 MBA degree, 4 MTech by research and 118 PhD degree in our institute. I extend my heartiest congratulations to all the degree recipients. I am happy to announce that in 2020 NIRF ranking awarded by Ministry of Education, NIT Rourkela is placed at 60th positions in engineering and 32nd position in overall category. At international level, we are ranked at 250 by QS Asian University Ranking 2021 and between 600 and 800 in Times Higher Education World University Ranking 2021. We are also a part of Study India programs and currently have 319 foreign students enrolled. NIT Rourkela stands first among all NIT and 19th place in India based on citation published in 11th edition of Transparent Ranking. As per NIRF 2020 data, NIT Rourkela has the highest research score amongst all NIT, and in Scopus citations we are amongst the highest. I am also delighted to share that NIT Rourkela is top amongst the NIT in terms of research visibility, having 11,461 publications with 108 H-index from Scopus database and 5,769 publications with 93 H-index from Web of Science database. New high-end equipments are procured in recent times under a new center called Centralized Instrumentation Facilities, which will boost quality research further. During calendar year 2020, the Institute has received the sanction of 38 sponsored projects with a total value of rupees 8.72 crores and 43 consultancy projects with a total value of rupees 4.44 crores. During academic sessions 2019-20, a total of 215 different companies have taken part in placement drive. A total of 943 full-time job offers were provided to our students, out of which 733 were boys and 210 were girls. We have already completed 3 rounds of faculty interview, 2 rounds of DPC for non-teaching staff, and 1 round of HAG professors interview during last 4 years. Academic curriculum has been made flexible in line with national education policy. Our students, mentored by student activity centers, have engaged in different activity, that is literary and technical programs, games and sports, arts and recreations, and many more at the Institute campus. To appreciate the effort of our alumni, 8 dignitaries have been bestowed the Distinguished Alumnus Award, who have made their alma mater proud by their achievements. Also, I proudly announce that the Institute is conferring the degree of Honorary Doctor of Science to Dr. Pramod Kumar Mishra, Dr. Kumar Mangalam Birla, and Sri Sitakanto Mahapatro in recognition of their outstanding contributions for their own field. FTBI, NIT Rourkela, is dedicated incubation facility for budding entrepreneurs of the regions. It also is a budding incubators in Eastern India. Currently, FTBI house 46 incubated startups, which has generated more than 180 plus job opportunities. With regard to the serving the peoples living in the periphery, we have established an organic farm center of excellence such as tribal studies, public health and nutrition, and most recently poverty alleviation research center. In addition to this, an MOU has just been signed with ISRO for setting up Space Technology Incubation Center. The Institute has further plans for increase its infrastructure facilities like Extension Center at Bhubaneswar, new lectural complex, laboratories, hostels, sports and recreational facilities of international standard. Last but not least, NIT Rourkela aspires to even greater institute of higher learning soon. May I request this August gathering, especially Dharmendra Pradhanji and Sri Jularamji, to allot 140 acres of land from sale